All right, y'all, we're starting Score Tuesday with 1988 Score Rack Pack. 54 cards and a glossy Young Superstars card. So let's see what's in this 88 Score Rack Pack. All right, we start with our Young Superstars glossy card of Chris James. Beautiful card. Let's get some light going on in here. There we go. That's better. We'll put him up there. That's a nice glossy card. All right, Brooke Jacoby, Dave Magadan, Lance Parrish, Bobby Witt, Scott Bradley. There's our first Magic Motion card. Do you remember? Great moments in baseball. We've got Willie Randolph, Dick Schofield, John Shelby, Willie Frazier, Ken Howell, Shane Mack, Rich Yett, Robbie Wine Jr., picked up a 1987 Reggie Jackson card of the Oakland Athletics. Very nice on that. We had the Orioles one, and I think we had another one. I can't remember which. So that'll be a nice add to the collection. Dave Dravecki, Jim Acker, John Marzano. Oh, George Brett, very nice. I'll put him up there. Pete O'Brien, Albert Hall, Mark McLemore, Ernie Witt. Our second Magic Motion card, Great Moments in Baseball, Fenway Park. Probably Bucky Dent, and the other one may have been Lou Gehrig. We've got Tommy John, phenomenal pitcher, Ken Oberkfell, Sid Bream, Don Carmen, John Christensen, Mike LaVallery, Scott Groutz, Steve Henderson, Charlie Moore, Eric Nolte, Donnie Hill, Gene Nelson, Buddy Bell. Oh, very nice. I was hoping to get one. Don Mattingly. That's key. Great looking card. Card number 1 in the 1988 series. We'll put him in front of George. Pedro Guerrero, Tim Tuffle, Tom Browning. Our third Magic Motion trivia card, Great Moments in Baseball. Jose Nunez, Bill Doley, Steve Garvey, phenomenal player there. Ed Olwine, Bob McClure, Cecil Fielder, phenomenal player. Willie Hernandez, Juan Neves, Al Nipper. Rookie prospect of Greg Jeffries, very nice. 87 highlights card of Paul Molitor. Very nice on the Paul Molitor card, highlights. And finally, Kirk McCaskill. All right, not bad in that 88 score set. We picked up the Cecil Fielder and the Reggie Jackson tribute card. That's key. Picked up the Paul Molitor highlight card and, of course, the glossy Young Superstars card. And then we picked up the George Brett and the Don Mattingly. The Mattingly card's got a little bit of, looks like maybe some minor corner issues on the top. And there's a little crease up there. That's unfortunate, but we'll take it nonetheless. 1988 Score Rack Pack. Thanks for watching.